Hey guys, there are situations where you might wish to contribute to a Facebook group without revealing your identity. Whether it's for personal privacy, sensitive topics, or simply a desire for anonymity, knowing how to post anonymously can be valuable. In this quick guide, I will show you how to post anonymously in Facebook groups. For this, let's open the Facebook app. Now click on your profile photo. As you scroll down, there you find groups option, so click on it. And now here you see your groups. If I click on it, there you will find all your groups that you are followed or liked. So let's open the group where we want to add anonymously post. Here you see anonymous post option, so you can add post from here too. Let's click on write something, and now let's write something here. And here you see post anonymously option, enable it, and now click on got it. Now click on post. So now your post is anonymously posted in this group. Always be aware of Facebook's term of service and the specific rules of the groups you participate in. Remember the community guidelines and remember that responsible and respectful behavior online is key to fostering a positive environment. Ultimately, the goal is to create an online experience that is both enjoyable and respectful for everyone involved. So that's bring to the end of the video. I hope you like it. If you have any question or confusion, comment down below. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting tutorials. Bye!